Today, I am going to show you exactly how to export an email signature from Figma to Gmail professional branding. Have you ever crafted a striking email signature in Figma and then found yourself puzzled about how to seamlessly integrate it into your Gmail account? If so, you're not alone, and you're definitely in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that your custom email signature transitions smoothly from Figma to Gmail. This way, every email you send will reflect a polished and professional appearance, making a lasting impression on all your recipients. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional, clickable email signature that's ready to elevate your email branding. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. First things first, let's navigate over to Figma. Once you're there, locate the file that contains your beautifully designed email signature. When you're ready to export, direct your attention to the Action button. You'll find this button nestled right at the center of the bottom bar in the Figma interface. It might take a moment to spot it, but don't worry. Figma occasionally likes to tuck its most useful features out of immediate sight. Clicking this Action button will open up a realm of plugins, providing you with a treasure trove of tools to enhance your Figma experience. In the plugin search bar, type in Marka Email Generator. This plugin is a genuine lifesaver for anyone dealing with email signatures. Think of it like downloading a specialized tool that helps you finish a project faster and ensures that your signature design will function perfectly once it's in Gmail. Launch the plugin by clicking on its name, and you'll see several options appear. We are going to focus on the option labeled Signatures. This is similar to flipping to the right chapter in a book. It brings you directly to your saved signature templates, ready for export. Here, you will see a list of the different signature designs or templates you've previously worked on. Select the one you wish to export. Don't worry if you have multiple designs. You can always return and repeat this process for another template later. With your chosen signature highlighted, take a brief detour by clicking the Preview button. This allows you to double-check how your signature will appear once exported. Consider this step like trying on a new outfit before purchasing it. This extra moment ensures everything looks perfect. If your signature preview looks just right, let's move forward. Click the Export button. When you are prompted with export options, be sure to choose Email Signature instead of a standard image or PDF. Next, select the option to export as an HTML file. This is a vital step because Gmail requires the signature in HTML format to preserve all the design elements and clickable links. Once you've completed the export, navigate to your Downloads folder and find the new HTML file. Open it. Usually, a double click will suffice, and it should appear in your default web browser. You'll see your email signature displayed exactly as it will look in your emails. Now, select everything in that preview. Simply drag your mouse over the entire signature, right-click, and choose Copy. This action will copy all the code and styling just as you see it. Next, let's head over to Gmail. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to access settings, then click See All Settings. While this menu might seem a bit daunting at first, don't worry. Just scroll down until you find the Signature section. Select Create New Signature and give it a memorable name. In the Signature editing box, right-click and paste your copied signature. If everything has gone smoothly, your formatted signature should appear just like it did in Figma. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. And there you have it. Your stunning Figma signature is now ready to use in Gmail and will automatically appear whenever you compose a new email. If you encounter any issues during these steps, or if you're seeking additional design tips, please feel free to leave your questions in the comments. I'd be more than happy to assist. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more comprehensive tutorials designed to enhance your workflow and make your designs shine. That's it for this tutorial on how to export an email signature from Figma to Gmail professional branding. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.